Summer is just around the corner. How many of you can no longer wait to put away your winter jackets, put on your swimsuits, and go swimming in the lakes and river that Switzerland has to offer? May I have a quick show of hands, please? Good. So when you go for swimming on a hot and sunny day, in addition to your towel, there is one important thing that you should carry. Can anyone guess what am I talking about? Exactly. That's the sunscreen. But did you know that sunscreens often contain tiny little particles that really protect us from the UV rays of the sun? In addition, our winter jackets also contains tiny little silver particles that give them the antibacterial properties. These tiny little particles are called nanoparticles. Right from the battery of our cell phones to the industrial processes that make our modern day life better, nanoparticles are everywhere. However, with this increased usage, they have now multiple ways of getting into the environment, right from their production, usage, and ultimately disposal. Unfortunately, we don't really understand the effects of nanoparticles in the environment because we cannot measure them properly. Galileo once said, measure what is measurable and make measurable what that is not. And that's where my research comes in. I'm developing methods to measure nanoparticles in the environment. But it's easier said than done. Why, you may ask? Because nanoparticles are really tiny, tiny particles. To give you an example, nanoparticles are as small compared to us as a tennis ball compared to planet Earth. Now, when they are manufactured, nanoparticles are in high concentration and in pristine conditions. But when they get out into the environment, they are not only dilute, but also mixed with many other substances. To give you an example, let's try finding this ball on planet Earth. When they are mixed with not just tennis balls, but golf balls, baseballs, footballs, or even basketball. Now, all of them have completely different properties and compositions. With the method that I'm developing, I'm going to change that. Because right now, you can measure either the size distribution or the composition, but not both at the same time. So, will my research make nanoparticles safer immediately? Probably not. But what it will do is help us understand the properties and effects in the environment so that we know better. Thank you so much.